Welcome to Ike Destiny. So in this channel, we focus on full stack development actually, and algorithms and data structures. For the algorithms, I'll be using C++. Why did I choose C++? I chose C++ because for coding interviews, your main focus is speed and efficiency, and there's no language that comes close to C++ in this aspect. So I'll be creating courses periodically on different algorithms and data structures using C++. I also create a foundation course on C++ because I know it's a very difficult language, and also I'll be writing programs on Java, Spring Boot. So that's for backend. My backend will be written in Spring Boot. I'll create a Spring Boot tutorial, and then with these two, I'll be writing full stack applications, combining it with React to create different projects. Because personally, I feel like the best way of learning programming is actually hands-on, like creating projects. If you're just learning, watching tutorials, 5 hours, 10 hours tutorials without actually creating anything, it's just like watching someone swim and then expecting to be able to swim after watching the person swim for like, I don't know, 10 days straight. You just drown. Like, that was something that happened in Titanic, bro. So if you want to support my channel, which I know you do, like that subscribe button, subscribe, like, comment on my videos, and let's grow this together. Let's achieve our programming goals together. Thank you.